Hello guys, so I've been using Tanium Patch Management for over a year now, and honestly, it has completely changed the way I handle updates and security across our network. Before this, patching always felt reactive and stressful, but now it feels structured, predictable, and far easier to manage at scale. From the very beginning, I noticed how powerful and fast the platform is. I've got a large number of endpoints to manage, and having that real-time visibility into every single device makes a huge difference. For growing Shopify businesses, this kind of visibility is similar to knowing exactly what's happening across all your apps, integrations, and staff devices at any moment. I've always struggled with deploying patches quickly without disrupting operations, but with Tanium, it feels almost effortless. The centralized control lets me push updates out on my schedule, and I can customize the scope and timing with such precision that I rarely worry about downtime or errors. That level of control is crucial when uptime directly affects revenue, especially during sales or peak traffic periods. One thing I really like is how flexible Tanium is. I've been able to enable only the modules we need, so it doesn't feel bloated or overwhelming. This makes it easier to start small and expand later, which is ideal if you're scaling gradually and don't want unnecessary complexity from day one. The dashboards are detailed, but they're also intuitive enough that I can drill down into exactly what I want to see without getting lost. I'll admit, sometimes I've had to hunt around a bit to find certain functions because they aren't always where you'd expect. But once I got used to the layout, it became second nature. After that learning curve, navigating the system feels efficient and logical. The integration with third-party apps is another big win for me. Since our IT environment is pretty complex, having Tanium play nicely with what we already use has saved me a lot of headaches. This is especially important if your Shopify store relies on multiple tools working together behind the scenes. Plus, the support team has been really responsive whenever I hit a snag or had questions. I appreciate how they don't just give generic answers, but actually help troubleshoot and guide me through fixes. That kind of support can save hours of trial and error, especially if you're not a full-time IT specialist. What's been especially valuable is how Tanium helps me maintain strong cyber hygiene across all our endpoints. It's not just about patching, it's about reducing risks and exposures proactively. For online businesses handling customer data and payments, that proactive security mindset is critical. Managing thousands of devices manually used to be a nightmare, but now I feel like I'm actually in control and can stay ahead of potential threats. Instead of constantly reacting to problems, I'm able to prevent them before they impact operations. I don't have the exact details on pricing, but from my perspective, the efficiency and peace of mind I get from using Tanium make it worth every penny. When you consider the cost of downtime or security incidents, the value becomes much clearer. Overall, if you're looking for a patch management solution that's reliable, scalable, and fast, I definitely recommend Tanium. It's helped me streamline operations, strengthen security, and keep everything running smoothly without the usual stress. I can't imagine going back to how we used to manage patches before this.